Chef Lavinia.
We are telling you how to make an apple walnut charoset. This recipe comes from our Jewish cookbook.
Now this is how you will make it. First, wash your produce, which is your apples. Next, apples come in many varieties.
We are using gala apples.
Next, dice up 3 whole apples and put them into the bowl.
Add 1 cup of chopped walnuts.
Add a half a cup of grape juice.
Add 1.5 teaspoon of ground cinnamon.
Next, you will add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now stir it all together. If you have a nut allergy, you might not want to eat this.
You will need to serve it in room temperature.
So good.
That's all we have time for today. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.
Action.
So good.
You ready? Just tell us when, Chef.
When?
So delicious. So